Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important books related to agriculture. For every agri graduate, the general agriculture books plays a key role for attending the various agri-related exams such as JRF, SRF, BHU and other state agriculture university exams. And not also these, it is also essential for clearing the various exams such as NABARD, IFCO, AFO, ARS, etc. So here we are with some important books related to general agriculture which have been suggested by most of the toppers, and every graduate must go through these books before attempting any exam. These books are given based on their preference order. Coming to the first book, it is The Agriculture at a Glance by R.K. Sharma. This book is recommended by the toppers. This book has the history and current innovations in agriculture. Along with that, it includes the topics related to each and every subject. Not only that, it also has fisheries, animal husbandry and ecology part. In this book, there is also a good explanation related to agricultural engineering. And at last, there are 3 model papers given which can help the student in clearing the various exams. The next book is Competitive Agriculture by Nemrat Sunda. This book gives a brief explanation of various topics and related subjects. This book is helpful for JRF, SRF, IBPS and AFO exams. But this book does not include the subjects related to fisheries and agricultural engineering. The next book is Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. This is an objective book which comprises of the MCQ based questions related to each and every subject, and it also has memory based JRF and SRF questions from the previous year's papers which are highly useful for the students who are appearing for ICAR JRF and SRF exams. The next book is Fundamentals of Agriculture by Arun Katyayan. This book is in 2 volumes, that is volume 1 and volume 2. And in this book, there is a brief explanation of all the topics from all the subjects such as entomology, agronomy, genetics, economics, etc. And this book gives the related information in the theory format. And in this book also there is no related information about veterinary and fisheries. The next book is General Agriculture by Muniraj Singh Rathod. In this book, the 30th edition, which is the newly released edition, is available. This book comprises questions in one-word format, and in this book it includes the latest current affairs and more than 3,500 memory-based questions. And also it has solved questions and previous 15 years JRF, SRF and BHU questions. And it is highly recommended book for AFO, JRF, SRF, ARS, IFS and NABARD exams. And at last is the recently published book, that is the General Agriculture Retention by Itala Satyanarayana and Mandala Rajshekhar et al. And Itala Satyanarayana is the author of also a book Soil Science Treatise, which is an evolution in soil science competitive exam, which is also recently published. Coming to the General Agriculture Retention book, this is highly useful for clearing the various agricultural related exams, and a very good information is given in this book. Even though it is a recently published book, it has highly useful information for clearing various agri-related exams. And friends, you can go through any of these books for general agriculture topics. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.